The battery on this solar kit is dead, so let's change it. I never liked that this thing came with a lead acid battery. Anyway, I have the replacement here, so I'm just going to pop that in and see if it works. At the moment, only that one light is working. Nothing else is working. Even the radio, Bluetooth, it's not working. Pop that in, and immediately you can see that it is working.
Bluetooth mode.
And the radio is working, so that's very good news. Watch the related video to see my review after 9 months of using this product. It was the NEWVEW T229BT solar kit.